Hi, I'm Greg with Swanson's Vacuum. At least once a day a customer will ask me, Greg, what's the best vacuum cleaner on the market? If I had to pick one, it would have to be the SEBO Automatic X4 for a variety of reasons. First of all, amazing cleaning power, the best air filtration, the best durability that you're going to find in a vacuum. Works on all surfaces. Many upright vacuum cleaners claim to work on carpeting and bare floor. They may do one or the other, but they can't do both well. SEBO actually works pretty darn good on all surfaces. The durability is unparalleled. This is football helmet, ABS type plastics. I would not do this with any other vacuum cleaner in the store. This is commercial grade. Has a 12 amp high airflow industrial double fan motor, 12 amps. Covered by a 10-year motor warranty, 5-year bumper to bumper. It's the best warranty in the industry. If allergies are an issue, SEBO offers S-grade hospital air filtration. This is actually better than HEPA air filtration. Very efficient in maintaining its suction power. Typical bag systems will use a 4-inch pre-filter underneath the bag. SEBO uses a 12-inch cylinder filter to the side of the bag, and what this does is it keeps the bag off the pre-filter so you do not lose any suction power as the bag fills up. So we will maintain our suction power until the bag is fully topped off. Okay, we have a 40-foot cord, which really lets you cover a lot of ground. And if you look at the quality of the cord, this is a typical vacuum cleaner cord, very rigid, very stiff. In a few years they start to crack, get knotted up. If we look at SEBO's cord, it's a fully rubberized cord, very pliable. It's more expensive to make, but it lasts you as much longer, and you don't get the knots that you typically get in a regular vacuum cleaner cord. Very quiet. And as the label implies, Automatic X is an automatic height adjustment. Most vacuum cleaners who claim to have an automatic height adjustment, it simply means there's no adjustment at all. SEBO actually has an electronic servo motor. It picks up the speed of the roller and adjusts the brush roller height accordingly. Light here, the indicator light's telling us that the machine is lowering itself down. When you reach the proper height, the light goes off, voila. Most upright vacuum cleaners at this point are going to be kicking debris behind the vacuum. As you can see here, we've missed nothing. Now, if we roll over to our carpeting, we're raising ourselves back up. Now, we do not have to wait till the vacuum is fully adjusted to start vacuuming. What I have here is synthetic pet hair. This is one of the biggest concerns of our customers. As you can see, the SEBO has absolutely no problem with it. It also has no problem with frisé carpets, shag carpets, or the softer carpets that are on the market today that will pretty much shut down any other vacuum cleaner. They also come with a full set of full-size attachments. Most uprights will give you dinky little attachments. These are full-size tools. So within reach here we have our duster brush. Put on the end of our wand here. These are 12 feet ceilings. Typically a 10-foot ceiling will be no problem, for these attachments. Okay. So we have a duster brush on the back. We're also going to have a full-size crevice tool and a full-size upholstery tool. If you've ever been in a hospital, noticed the maid service, more than likely you've seen this vacuum. These are used in thousands of hospitals across the United States because of the air filtration, because of the durability, and because of the noise levels. Really a key feature in commercial type settings is the ability to access the brush roller. Most vacuum cleaners, to access the brush roller, we're going to have to get out the toolbox. With the SEBO, it's just a matter of pushing this little button on the top, giving the end cap a wiggle here, and it corkscrews out. So we can clean our brush roller, we can replace our brush roller without paying any service fees. Another key feature of SEBO is we have the ability to check for clogs. Get a napkin in there, a paper towel. No need to travel to see us. It's just a matter of opening that door and you're going to be able to retrieve 90% of your clogs. Cleaning service applications love this vacuum cleaner because it can be serviced by itself. You can take the brush roller out, we can clean out the blockages in the blockage port, and we can go further than that. Everything here is very modular. Break down the machine, kind of like MacGyver. Very serviceable. At most points of a vacuum cleaner's life, we have to change the belt. SEBO, we have a lifetime belt warranty, has built-in belt protection. The belts will never break or stretch. In the event we were to pick up a sock, a towel, or throw rug, it's going to shut itself down. We have an indicator here. Check brush, so we know there's an issue. So it's just a matter of removing the obstruction, turn the machine off, turning it back on. Please stop into Swanson's for a complete demo of this SEBO or many other fine products at Swanson's Vacuum at 7507 North 2nd Street, Machesney Park, Illinois. Our hours are Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5.